What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to another edition of 25 Days of Holi-Details. I hope that things are going well. Today, we are going to focus on a simple thing that helps to reduce the risk of scratching on your paint when washing, and that is a pre-wash. I have a bunch of products we can talk about. Let's get some out right now. I don't have a bunch of products, that's a lie. We're gonna talk about a bunch of products. I only have a couple. So in my IK sprayer, I've got Built Hamber from Autofoam. In the cupboard, Built Hamber. In the cupboard, I've got a new one. Ooh, right here. Citrus Foam from G-Technique. And, I guess a couple. We have some, what's this one? Ultra Foam? I don't know, Geon. Oh, wait, there we go. Q2M foam from Geon. And this is actually my personal favorite, GoPro Lift. Now, you gotta choose your pre-wash. Now, remember, these are all just like what I do, so please do some research and do your own stuff. But some of these are really harsh. Citrus foam from G-Technique, it's a little bit not as harsh. So if you have a ceramic coating and you're gonna be washing your car weekly, like some of us do, you probably wanna use something a little bit not as harsh as, say, Autofoam from Built Hamber. That one's a little bit harsh, but you can apply them in a couple of different ways. My preferred method lately has been through the IK sprayer. I don't know why, I just like it. And then you can also do it in a foam cannon. So let's go and apply it, and then we'll rinse off. And that's really what we want to talk about today. Find one that works for you, depending on your frequency of wash and your goal with that wash, and then choose it. GoPro Lift is my absolute favorite. It's just expensive. That's it, my friends. Apply, rinse, done. It's pretty awesome, and it's really effective, especially if you want to reduce the risk of marring your paint.